for you here today. Just took my L on sneakers for the black and the white Levi's Air Max 95. So I am on my way to Social Status to see if I can get either one so I can do a review later for you guys. I've had pretty good luck at Social Status in the last year or so. So let's hope that luck continues today, or let's hope everybody's sleeping under a rock. I'll catch y'all later. All right, well, I'm the first person in line per usual. Well, I'm usually top 3, top 5, but yeah, there's nobody out here yet. So let's hope they got them, and I didn't drive all the way out here for nothing. But I was told they were here, so we'll see. My car says 100 degrees right now, so excuse my perspiration, but secure the deal. I'll see you guys at home with these, and I'll give you the details. What's up, guys? Spencer here from the Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the black Levi Air Max 95 collaboration, Big Bubble. Yes, for those of you who are wondering, these are Big Bubble Air Max 95s. But just a little backstory on Soul Sandy and myself. I am Spencer. I am one part of the Soul Sandy Sneaker Podcast. We bring you guys weekly content revolving everything sneakers, market, sports, upcoming releases, quality, reselling, whatever the case may be. Anything that has to do with sneakers, we talk about it. We're weekly, bi-weekly, and I'm here for you guys in between to bring you guys, reviews and other things like that. So whenever I can get my hands on something, I will. I could have got the white pair this morning, but this black pair is going to go to someone on the channel. So congratulations to one of our subscribers. You guys have just won yourself not a free pair, but a retail pair of the Air Max Black 95. So I didn't think that people wanted the white ones, so I didn't want to risk my wallet. So sorry. If there's any subscribers down below, comment down below if you want the white one. I can check my local store and see if they still have your size available. So, just let me know down below. I got you guys. So let's get right into it. So obviously this is not the first Levi Nike Jordan collab. So they've done Jordan 4s. I believe they've done a dunk, and they've done a I was reading about it earlier. I don't know the other one off the top of my head, but definitely a dunk and definitely the Jordan 4 pack. And the Jordan 4 pack was just like this one, a black, a white, and then a blue. And so the blue pair of these, especially in the 95s, was a Levi's exclusive. I'm not 100% sure about how it came out on the Jordan 4s. Alongside this release, there was a Canadian tuxedo, as people call it. So that's going to be jean jacket and jean pants. They did have the Nike branding on the back, and then I believe the Nike branding was on the front of the jeans. I'm not 100% sure about the bottoms, but I did like that jacket. Unfortunately, it's $200 and not available, so I guess I won't be getting said jacket, but I did like it. So, and I like the black 95s the most. However, these are not for me. I do like the blue ones, but I don't know. I'm cool. I'm cool on waiting. My 2 pickups will definitely be the Aqua 8s next week and those Total Orange WNBA Kobe 6s. Those are going to be my 2 releases for this month. I'm going to try and stick to 2, because my wallet is not happy with me right now. So let's get right into it. First and foremost, we got the Levi's branding on the old style Nike box. So they did a play on, no, not this one. Where is it? Dang, do I not? Oh, this one right here. So it's an orange. They took this style box, but replaced it with the red Levi's logo, which I think is pretty cool. This is a cool looking box. I'm here for it. These are the kind of boxes we need. I had some complaints about this on the Yachties because I think it could have been done something different, and I think I would have even accepted something like this. But I don't know. That's just me. Let me know what you guys think down below. Does the box really matter that much? I think that if you're going to pay a premium price tag, though, that you should be getting some kind of, not just, obviously there's premium quality material on the shoe itself, but you know, the accessories, the things that come with it, everything like that should be, you know, up to par. So the color on the black pair is black anthracite gem red, just because there's some gem red accessories, accents. The other two colors, I don't know what the official color was for blue, but the white one was ecru. Somebody, I don't know how to say that, but ECRU, basically meaning off-white. Got the Levi Strauss Co. paper. Levi's coming out in 1873, a long time before Nike. We got a little Levi's Nike Air Max hang tag. That's fire. Like that. Okay, we got 2 sets of laces here. 2 sets of extra laces here. So we have an extra set of red laces that people have been, you know, I've seen these in the shoes a lot. These were in the actual ad for the sneakers. And then there's another pair. And both of these are like, I don't want to call them, they're not rope, but they're similar to rope. They're some kind of like between rope and twine, because they're rougher. I'll show you guys up close. And then we have actual regular Air Max 95 rope laces in the shoe. These are size 12, by the way, so, you know, comment down below. And obviously the first person to comment that says they wear a size 12, these are yours. So standard big bubble, you know, through here. We got, it looks like the inside is actually blue, like a royal blue, the actual, not the bubble itself, but whatever you call the spring shock mechanism that's in the actual air bubble, or through the bubble, behind the bubble. So we got a red Air Max insole, Nike insole. Let me see, I don't think it's anything special, anything to write home about. It seems pretty thin. Yeah, it does say it's Levi's, but it's just a regular Ortholite insole, you know, nothing crazy. So you can feel free to switch these out for something better if you have anything. Not a lot of people buy insoles nowadays, and especially not sneakerheads, or at least in my area and of the people that I know, the people I converse with on a daily basis. So all 3 of the Air Max 95s are made from 14-ounce denim. Each pair features co-branded details: a Levi's red tab beneath the Nike swoosh on the right shoe, the Levi's red branding shank, and a sock liner printed with the Levi's dollar bill graphic. All come in a custom red Air Max box with Levi's batwing accents. Something that Nike's been doing a really good job at lately is the rollout. Obviously, the Nigel was a great rollout. They did a lot for the High 85 bread. Some of the stories that they're telling, Amaminiere always does a great job, but a lot of these Nike collaborations are just doing good storytelling jobs. They had Paige Buchers on the cover of this one, well, at least one of the Levi's ads, and it just it highlights the storytelling behind the sneakers and gives them a story to, you know, so we're not just riding hype, you know, we have something to attach to and something to associate with. Nigel did a great job with this, not only with his brick by brick, but the grandma's driveway before that as well. So not his first time. These are really clean. I had to purchase these not in my size because I knew that I would not have been able to resist not keeping these. These are super fire. I'm not going to give it a 10 out of 10, but definitely like an 8 out of 10. I think the white pair would have been clean as well, but I just didn't have, I knew if I wanted all 3 really, if I was going to get one at all, and I didn't have $600 to blow right now. So yeah, no Air Max 95 Levi's for me. Let me know what you guys think about these down below. And like I said, first one to, you know, message me on Instagram or on YouTube, you know, whatever the case may be, and let me know that you want these in a size 12. They are yours. So congratulations. And for anybody who is new here, we appreciate you. And please leave us a like, a comment, and a sub. This is our first YouTube video since hitting 500 subs. This is also our first YouTube video since hitting 1,000 subs. So we really do appreciate everyone who is new here and all of the new subscribers / supporters. We appreciate all of it, and we will catch you guys out on the season finale of season 4. It will be at Bozeman's in Wilmington on July the 20th, and I will try to have it out to you guys by July the 24th or so. We will be on vacation down there, so I'm gonna try not to work too hard, but we're gonna be bringing you a special episode, special guest Mike Lang, and maybe another one or two. We'll see. You know, only time will tell. And the SneakerCon vlog pod, it's not a pod, vlog content should be out soon, and I will catch you guys out later. Peace.